Today, we're tackling something that seems simple but is surprisingly tricky: how to sign a PDF document. In the modern workspace, e-signatures are no longer a convenience, they're a necessity. That's why modern businesses will use a dedicated e-signature solution like Papersign, which makes digital signing effortless and efficient. But let's say someone has sent you a PDF to sign, and you now have to scramble to figure out how to sign it without printing it and physically signing it, uploading it, and then sending it back. Well, you're in the right place. If you've ever found yourself struggling to sign a document digitally, then keep watching this video, where we once and for all answer the question. Let's dive straight in. Hey there, Alex here from Paperform. Now, there are 4 steps to easily signing a PDF digitally. Step number 1, you'll need to download Adobe Acrobat Reader. Don't get this confused with the paid Adobe Acrobat. Adobe Acrobat Reader is a free software that allows you to open, view, edit, and yes, e-sign your documents. Just head to Google, search for Adobe Acrobat Reader, DC download, select this page here, and hit download. Once downloaded, just open that application, head to the top left, select File, Open Document, and choose your PDF file. Now it's time to sign it. So click Fill and Sign, then that sign button, and select Add Signature. You have 3 ways to create your signature. You can type your name and choose a style, draw your signature using your mouse or a touch screen, or you can upload an image of your signature. For this tutorial, we'll choose to draw our signature. And there we go. A digitally drawn signature always looks odd. Click Apply and voila, you can save your signature for future use as well. Now it's time to save your masterpiece document. Click File, Save, choose a name for your PDF, and you're done. Now your PDF is signed and ready, but here's where things get interesting. While the method I just showed works, it's definitely not the most efficient nor user-friendly way to sign documents, especially if you do this regularly. Enter Papersign by Paperform, a game changer in the world of e-signatures. Why spend time downloading software, creating signatures, and fiddling with settings when Papersign streamlines the entire process? With just a few clicks, you can upload your PDF, configure who needs to sign, and automatically send a document to them. All they need to do is sign digitally. It's that easy. Want to make sure your documents match your brand? Papersign has you covered. Need real-time notifications? Consider it done. Papersign isn't just about signing, it's about enhancing your workflow, saving time, and focusing on what truly matters. Best of all, Papersign offers a free plan. Start signing your PDFs with Papersign today and transform the way you sign documents. Good luck and happy signing.